I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe. It's a hamburger potato skillet. It sounds good, so I'm hoping it'll taste good. So I hope y'all are doing great today, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground hamburger meat, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 onion chopped, half a bell pepper chopped, 6 potatoes diced into about 1/2-inch cubes, washed and peeled, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which is optional. You want to begin by browning your hamburger meat. And I always brown my meat with salt and pepper. And if I don't use real onions and garlic, I'll use onion powder and garlic powder. And I'll also use seasoned salt. To me, it just doesn't taste right if I don't do these things. And once you get it brown, you want to drain your fat and then set it aside. Now to the same skillet, you want to add your teaspoon of oil, and you want to add your onions and your bell pepper and cook them until they're soft. Now that your onions and peppers are soft, you want to add in your potatoes, and you just want to do a slow fry until they're brown. Once your potatoes are as brown as you want it to be, you want to add in your meat and mix it up. And you want to add in your teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Once you add in your seasonings and mix it up, you want to simmer it for about 20 minutes. And it didn't say to put a lid on it, but about halfway through I decided to get my potatoes good and tender that I would add the lid. And it turned out really good. Now after the 20 minutes, everything is done. The potatoes are nice and soft, and the meat's nicely cooked through, and all the flavors are blended. All right, it's time to give it a taste. It's hot. That's good. We get that kick of the cayenne pepper. It said you could serve it with ketchup, barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, whatever you wanted to serve over the top. And it's really good. I don't think cheese would be amiss on top of it either. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.